is such an honor to welcome you all to the great, great city of Detroit.
Placemaking is important because every public space should really be driven by our communities. It's the time where we all come together as a field, learning from each other and figuring out how to collaborate to really advance our field.
I love that Placemaking Week was here in Detroit. For people to be able to have their perceptions changed about the city and just see all of the amazing things that are happening at the community level, at the city level was really special.
And it was so interesting to hear about community engagement strategies, about public art, about how funding came into place. And so I guess the mobile workshops are pretty hard to beat.
It's about ongoing resilience and always doing better. So there is no risk of placemaking ourselves out of this work. We keep going.
That gap is not just political, it's spatial. It shows up in who feels welcome in our parks, who feels safe on our streets, and who has access to public life.
Detroit is such a special place. It's the people, the artists and makers and the roll up your sleeves, get it done spirit here, the grittiness, the rise from the ashes mentality, but also looking out for your neighbors. I feel like public spaces are never finished. They are always evolving, always serving our visitors and guests, residents, the broader public.
So one big takeaway for me that I hope that others will take with them is the idea that public spaces and placemaking really have a role to play in delivering vibrant civic life that strengthens our democracy.
So it's fantastic to get together with lots of other folks all around the country. One, to see how unique all the projects are, then also to realize, man, everybody's dealing with the same problems. Everybody's got creative solutions for them. And to get that little bit of energy to keep on going and take something new back home.